All right, everybody, here we go. I'm putting together a quick video. Let me get them all out here. This is a quick video. I know you guys think that I don't make quick videos, but I'm telling you, it's going to be quick. I'm going to edit it. It's going to be awesome if I don't fall out of the boat. We're going to throw some of these new little bitty cranks. They're actually little mini jerk baits. So I'm going to put them right here just so I don't lose them. But we got clear enough water, and I'll try to bend this camera down. Hopefully you can see. Hopefully Charles don't catch a big monster and we got to abandon ship and help him or anything. Not that I don't want him to catch a big monster, but still. Not while I'm making a video, Charles. I just want to see, first of all, how I need to work these. I've tried them once, but the water is so dingy, I don't even know how it was working, kind of deal. So you guys comment if you fish these or whatever. I don't know if you guys can make that out. Now we've got the Aliexpress BFS XG, and that's a CU double with the light tip though, not the ultralight. Now, I don't know, this definitely don't do a jerking. That thing just flat sinks. This may just be a little kind of a real erratically kind of bait. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what these baits are, to tell you the truth. We're going to see if they'll catch a fish. What do you think, Charles?
Sure, they'll all catch a fish right place, right time.
Well, let's see. I'm just going to reel it to me and see what it looks like. Honestly, I do not like the way that thing works. These may do something for us at the little creeks or something. Yeah. That one I didn't like. This one's a little different. Let's try it. I like the looks of that other one. It's one of the coolest looking ones. That one looks good. Now it sinks way slower. This is going to do what we want it to do, I think. Let me come around this. Yep, I saw that fish. You guys won't be able to see it. I watched him come out and take it. I jerked it. I knew it. That other one has too big of hooks or something. It's not supposed to sink the way it was doing. This one, instantly I could tell would probably work. It was doing kind of what it was supposed to do. If it's to be called a jerk bait, it should have some sort of suspend in it, not a sink. Now that one may be good for deeper, but I hope you guys saw that right there. And I'll try to put the link below to that one anyway, the one we catch fish on, or if we're catching it on anymore. I've got like 5 different styles of these I bought. So yeah, this one is typically, I'm working it just like you would a standard jerk bait. Now I can see it, this water's clear enough. So yeah, I think it's going to work. I'm going to jump right to another one. I told you I was going to keep this video short, but this is definitely first cast. What do you think, Charles? Catches a fish, it's probably a winner.
It's probably okay.
It's probably good. I wanted to try this one. This color, especially today's conditions, this water, clarity. Because that one's kind of bright, I'll be honest, for a spooky fish anyway. This color though, however, it just speaks to me, kids. You guys know what I'm saying? You ever had a color just speak to you, Charles? Yeah. It goes wah 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 wah. Let's try this color. I didn't even let it sink. I just assumed it's going to work. But I don't know if you guys can make that out. Yeah, it's doing what it's supposed to also. That one is definitely not. Working the way it's supposed to work. So we just need it to catch us a fish. And I honestly think this will be, I guess if I take them to the little creeks and streams, I need to figure out if I can throw them on ultralight. This is a light tip, but I think the ultralight on this one anyway, the CU double, would not have a problem. Work it up here in front of the boat. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it. I don't know. I think it's going to work. It feels like it's working pretty good, but I'm going to switch. I'm going to go to, I think I got two more styles that I got. This guy was one of the cheaper ones. Now I think it's going to sink too, unfortunately, but we're going to try him. A couple more to go, then we're going back to regular fishing. Let's just watch. Yeah, see, he drops. I'm not even going to try him if they don't drop right. That thing will not work. Now, I guess I could... Yeah, I'll try him. I lied. I'm just going to give him a shot. Doing a kind of more of a, not really a jerk bait, more like a rip bait. And that may be what they're intended for. A true jerk bait, you're going to want to jerk, pause, and all that. Rip bait, you kind of just have erratic jerking and pulling and tugging as you're reeling. It doesn't look bad for that. I can see it working for certain conditions. All right, we got to wrap this up, boys and girls, and go to the worm. Told you it's going to be a quick video. I got one more bait, and I'm going to give you a quick rundown on what I think, and I'll share the links. But I'm beginning to think it looks a lot like Christmas. Let me see. I'm trying to find a more duller color. Actually, look at that dude. That dude is bright and white. I'm just going to try him. If Charles can catch him on a pink TRD in this clear water, I should be able to catch him on a white fish with blue eyes and a pink neck. Right, Charles? Let's see what this one does. Okay, that's a floater. See that? That thing flat out doesn't even suspend, it floats. Let's give it a little toss. Okay, let's give it, whoa, let's give it a shot down this bank. Crank down a little bit, pop. Now, it may work, but honestly, I think it needs bigger hooks. I think it should slowly sink down a little bit, more like be a suspending. But I've heard somebody call it, which it makes sense, that if you're imitating a dying shad, usually like it'll move and then it starts sinking. Usually they don't start floating up. But real quick shot of what they look like, and I'll be honest, that the one that caught us the fish and then the other one I tried right after looked the best. These others look like they may be more of a cranking and yanking. I caught grass. This looks like a good spot, and I'm letting the boat roll right over the top of it. All right, let's get over here, finish off, then grass. I was hoping I'd reel up to that grass and end up getting something to commit to this bait. Charles already got one? No, he got grass. Okay, we're in the grass. I think that's all the baits. This is going to be the quickest video ever. You guys saw me catch a fish. Yay me. So I'm going to give you the links. I'm going to talk about them real quick here. And then we're out of here. That big dude, I think it floats too much. I think it should, I think it's more just like a weird crankbait. These two up here, I think they're more, I don't know what they are. They're more like a rip bait. They're skinnier and they sink. These have a little more body to them. And they definitely, let me get out here a little bit. Call them out to you. This guy, the last one we just tried, I don't like him. These two I don't like. They're the skinnier profile. They look good. You got good colors. That one I like. Get off there. All right, anyway. This one I like, and this one. If you see, they're kind of got that fatter body to them. Those seem to work good. We caught a fish on this one. This guy, I thought looked real good, but man, it just sinks like tail first, and it's more of a, I plan on using this one, and if I could get these hooks undone. This guy, oh my God. These two I plan on using like normal jerk baits. These two I plan on using like rip baits. This guy, I don't know what to use him as. And this was a bunch. You can get these for like 50 cents a piece and get a bunch of them if you order them in the bundle. But those two are my favorite right there. And I'll put the links to them first. These guys next, that guy last. And you'll be able to see by the pictures when you go to the links which ones I'm talking about. But I recommend these. This one for sure. Already caught a fish. This one seems to work about the same way. They're just a little miniature jerkbait. Miniature micro. Anyway, if you like this video and you like bass fishing, like, subscribe, help share the channel. Thanks for watching. Gotta go. Gotta catch some largemouth bass with a worm.